So we're trying the French toast that I seen on TikTok. We got the vanilla ice cream, the eggs, and the bread. Not the best bread, but we're gonna see if it's actually good. So I did 4 scoops of this vanilla Haagen-Dazs ice cream, and we're gonna do 4 eggs. Hopefully that should feed 4 people. Gotta heat up that ice cream. I don't know if you guys can see it. Put it in, let me see, for like 40 seconds. There we go. Drop the eggs inside. Okay, so we put the 4 eggs in there. Now we're gonna scramble all of this. So we got it all scrambled up. I got this recipe from the Steel Pan Guy. I think his name is. I'll try to tag him. Okay, so they say 30 seconds each side, I think he said. Here we go. We're going to wait 30 seconds. We're going to do some butter. I know it's not stainless steel like he had, but all right. Time to flip. Ooh. All right, so it's been sitting in there for like a minute. Here we go. I think he said a minute each side. I'm not even sure. All right, I flipped it. Oh my God, it smells so delicious. Almost there, guys. Okay, so we've been doing it for a minute and a half each side. This is what the first side looks like. I think it's done. We'll try it out. Ooh, it looks amazing. Still cooking. The kids go first. How is it?
That's good.
There we go. It's good. Okay, here's my second batch. I still don't get to taste it because the kids are first. Mmm. Mmm. Ooh. How is it? How is it? How is it? It's good? All right. 2 for 2. Here's the third batch for wifey. She doesn't want to come out in the camera. How does it taste? How does it taste? Is it good? With no syrup? All right, so first I'm gonna try it without any syrup. Mmm. 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 And now we're gonna try it with syrup. Mmm. Even better. Mmm. This should be the new way you're making French toast. These are really good. Amazing.